all the types of references. Okay, last we have discussed the theory of this type of references. Today we'll do the practical. Okay, now here we are going to see about the first is reference is that relative reference, and second is the absolute reference, third is the mixed reference, and fourth is the circle reference. Now here I am going to show you on the MS Excel how to perform this operation. Okay, now see here, see in the MS Excel. Okay, here data is already given over here. Okay, now we are going to perform the first of all we are going to see that the relative means that it shows the value relatively, means that it copy the cell address and formula, but when we copy the formula from one cell to the another cell, it change its cell addresses. For example, that see here. Okay, suppose that I have do this auto sum here. Okay, now this is do like this. Okay, now completed, and when we copy this formula from here, see here, this cell address is given here. Okay, that is a3 colon ai. Okay, but here it is done by the function. Here I am going to do the formula. Okay, using the formula. Okay, now delete it and put here. Okay, and for the doing the formula we will take the only this much data. Okay, no need to do all this data. And now delete this. Okay, take this total over here. Now see here I am going to do this one again. We have to delete also. Okay, now I am going to delete this also. Delete. Okay, now see here I am going to do this is equal to a3 plus b3. Okay, place enter. 175 has the result come, and now drag it. Okay, now see, so all the result has been shown in it. And when we copy this, I am showing the relational reference. Okay, relative relation. Copy this from here and just paste over here. Okay, see here. Now the sum of the 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. The number and formula has been copied, but see here, this its cell is address is n3 plus o3. Okay, means that this is okay. Now see here, this value is a3 plus b3. Okay, and this cell address is n3 plus o3. Okay, formula has been copied but cell address has been changed. This is called the relative reference. Okay, now you can drag and it will move. Okay, now here I am going to show you the absolute. Okay, in the absolute reference we fix the cell address. Okay, we fix the cell address. Here I am going to do the calculation. Okay, for example, that see here, suppose that we is equal to sign. Okay, after that put the dollar symbol, dollar n3 n3 n. Okay, after that put the dollar sign n3. Okay, 3 plus again dollar sign, after that o the dollar sign and 3, and press enter. See here, the sum of two number is 9, but when we drag down, okay, when we drag down like this, the number will come 9 and 9. See here, all the number, because in this relative motion, relative absolute relatives, here we are fixing the cell address. See here, this address has been fixed. Okay, this and same number. Okay, no changing of a cell address. Okay, this is the absolute reference. Now here we are going to see the mix reference. In this mix reference, the mix of the relative and absolute. Okay, now see, I am going to do again. Okay, equal in this mix where we fix the row or either we fix the column. Now I am going to show you how to fix the column. Dollar, okay, that is N3. Now plus O $3. Now see here, in the first I have fixed the column, in the second I have fixed the row, and when we place the enter the sum, okay, the sum of the 7 plus 2 is 9. When we drag it, okay, see the value will be changed according to there. See here, the value has been changed. This is the mixed reference, and now here we are going to discuss about the circular reference. Means that here I am going to perform the circular reference. Okay, now see here, for example that I have put there 2, okay, and here I am going to apply this any number 5, not 5, okay. Now now see here I am going to apply the circular reference. Means suppose that equal to sign, and that given that J17, okay, J17 plus J18 into 2. I have given, this is the example of circular reference. When we place enter, the message will come. See here, this message. There are one or more circular reference where a formula refers to its own said either directly or indirectly. This might cause them to calculate incorrectly. Try remove or change this reference or moving a reference to the different cell. Okay, when I press this here, okay, the value will come as 0, and the C on the value is come here 0, but C on the ready. Okay, in this here status bar, see here the circular reference has been shown over here. I am going to show you. Okay, see here I am going to show you. Here we can find that the circular reference is given over here. Now here we can find that the value of the 0 y comes, this is the circular reference. Okay student, today is enough for this, and in the next classes we will discuss about the next topic, that is called the cell reference of the another worksheet. Okay, now here I am going to conclude my speech here. Thank you student.